How's it going, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life and Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be bringing you a secret that I have when it comes to gaining more subs. It's not really a secret, it's more like a trick. And it's going to be beneficial to all you watching this video because this is a great way to get more viewers. And more viewers equals subscribers on YouTube, undoubtedly. The more viewers you bring in, the more chance you have of gaining a subscriber, someone liking that video and wanting to subscribe because they like your content and they want to see more of you in the future. So the best way to do that, in my opinion, is to search for stuff that people are searching for. Basically, head over to Google Trends. This is going to be a great website, great tool for you guys to use, a great way to find what people are searching for around the world, most popular searches. It also shows you the amount of searches for each topic, and it gives you a nice graph of if it's going up or if it's trending downward. So if you guys are looking for an interesting topic that people are searching for, head over to this website. Look at this, Women's World Cup. People are searching for this right now. It's going up. That's because it's been a really strong topic in the past couple weeks. And so they have recently trending. You can go all here, and for example, Annabelle Comes Home, new horror flick that came out. If you guys want to go head over, watch the movie, come back, make a movie review on it, you're most likely going to get views because people are searching for this. Look how many searches, 100K plus searches. That's a ton. Google owns YouTube, and it uses YouTube to put videos up when people search on Google. So when you search for Annabelle Comes Home, Google's going to promote all these YouTube videos about it on the front page. It's pretty obvious how that works because since they own YouTube. YouTube's the second largest search engine, Google's the first. So yeah, head over here, find some nice trending videos. I'm going to do some examples of when you want what to make videos about, and let's just hop right into that. So make your way here, you can search for any term. Let's search for Fortnite. Fortnite's a huge popular PC game, Xbox game. As you can see, it's going downhill over time. Now, it still gets a decent amount of searches, but in my opinion, I would not make content about this anymore, just because not many people are looking for this anymore, and it's kind of dying. So that's pretty obvious. Let's do Galaxy S10 5G, since that's a newer phone. So that's doing pretty good. Had a major spike right here. So guys, basically you want to hit it right here, right here-ish, right where it's starting to gain some traction. You see some upward sloping in search results. So it's been going up, kind of like down, up again. Now it's kind of like going down. So you want to hit it when people are searching for it. That's the best time to get views on YouTube. And more views on YouTube equals subscribers. So this is one of the best methods you can use. I'll do one more. Let's say, I don't know, Xbox One Scarlet. I think that's how you spell it. So right here, huge at E3. Tons of people are searching for it. Now it's kind of going downhill because it's not that important. Let me just see what PS5 is looking like, because this is also a popular search. Okay, so this is slightly going down. As you can see, it hits this peak again. You want to hit stuff when it's trending. Guys, the best way to do it, just head over to YouTube. Also, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications if you guys want to see more awesome content in the future. Use YouTube as a search thing for keywords. I mean, it's helpful. Let's see, Fortnite how to get better. Tons of people are searching for this because it came up first. You can just look up here. I mean, I have vidIQ, so I can see how many people are searching for it. I suggest you download vidIQ so you can just see what the most searched things are. You want something that's highly searched for with low competition, because that means your video is going to get all the views. And the way you do that is you find something that's that you think is trending, or you think that people will search for, and you make a video about it before anyone else. I've done that in the past, and it's been pretty successful. But it's a gamble because you're not always guaranteed. So look at this. 21 hours ago, already has 5.5 thousand views. That's pretty good for only having 18,000 subs. 1 month ago, 477. Basically, videos that are getting lots of views in a short amount of time with little subscribers, make videos like that, because that will go viral and you'll get tons of views, Tons of views equals a higher chance of getting subscribers. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. If you want to go check out my Anchor podcast, they'll be linked down below. You can help support me on Anchor. I think I have like donations on or something for that. You guys can also use my Amazon affiliate links. That also supports the channel. If you guys want to make a purchase on Amazon, make sure you use the links down below. You can go follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. Doesn't matter to me. And I appreciate all of you watching this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave video suggestions down in the comments below if you have any for me, anything you want me to make, and any thoughts you have on this video, any questions or comments, whatever. See you guys next one. Peace.